2012 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, remote engine start, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, automatic stability control, cruise control, keyless entry, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, trip odometer, fog lamps, trip computer, power windows, backup camera, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.